Hello everyone, welcome back. And I'm in the new shed at the moment because today's project is I'm going to be cutting the border out of the new lawn. So I've been and got my gloves and the edge cutter, and then I'm going to be moving some plants into the border because everything's at the bottom of the garden at the moment and I can't see the new raised bed with my hydrangea in it, and I've got far too many pots at the bottom, and I think it's time that I had to move things around. So I'm going to set the camera up now and let you see how we get on. So just to give you a little look of everything that has to be moved, I've got these three roses, they're David Austin roses, they're in the glazed terracotta pots, and I've got the new two roses here. I've got Desdemona and Danahue, and they were bare root, and they've been in here since we've been doing the garden, so they're going in the border as well. And I've also got the Skimmia rubellas here that I think I'm going to keep in the pots. They're just coming into bud actually. So I'm expecting some flowers, and they do look really lovely in early spring as well. So I'm going to keep them in the pots but move them out the way a little bit. And that's it for today. We've got the border all cut in. We've cut a little swoop in there. I may cut it away a bit more and make it a bit more deeper. I'm not sure yet, but it's easier to cut a bit away and then see how it looks. And if I need to curve it a bit more, then I can do. I've got the bird bath in there, and I think it looks a lot better than when it did on the patio. And then back here we've got Roald Dahl. This is Boscabel. This one's Vanessa Bell. This one here is Donahue. And if you like a rose bush with loads of thorns. This one has got loads of thorns. If you have a look there, this one has got so many thorns, this one. And then this one is Donahue. So this one here, I've decided to put the whiter shade of pale there because it's such a scented rose. I think to have it by the patio makes sense because it's such a beautiful rose, and then obviously the scent is lovely. So I've put it by the patio area. This one here is looking lovely. This is Queen of Sweden. This one here is Ancient Mariner. And then this one here that's just coming into bud again, this one is Summer Song. And then this one here is Port Sunlight. I was going to put Boscobel on this side, but I thought this space here, it would just look too open. So I've put Boscobel there. There is another rose that I want to get later on in the year, and I can only buy it as bare root. So that rose will go there when I get it. And it's been hard work, but it's been worth it. And we wanted the lawn to settle in and then decide whether we needed the border in. But we was edging towards that way because I was accumulating so many pots that now we've got the raised bed there with the blue hydrangea in. It was looking too cluttered. So the easiest thing to do was to put the roses in this rose bed here, and then that opens up the bottom end here, which I'll show you. Which looks so much better. I've got to do a bit more to it, but it's looking a whole lot better than it was. And the pots that I emptied, I'm now going to use to put the hostas in at the back there near the house there. But I hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a lovely week, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.